Hello students, today we are going to learn multiplication word problems. Here is our first word problem. The cost of one chair is rupees 650. What is the cost of 4 such chairs? So here we have to find out the cost of 4 such chairs. So we will write first statement from the question. If the cost of one chair is rupees 650, then the cost of 4 such chairs will be 650 into 4. Now we will expand 650. 650 is equal to 600 plus 50 plus 0. Now we will do multiplication with lattice method. Here we have to arrange 600, 50, 0 next to multiplication sign. Now below multiplication sign we will write 4. Now we will multiply first. It is 4 into 600, but we will multiply 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24 and add this to 0. Now 4 5 are 20 and add 1 0. So we will get 200. 4 zeros are anything multiplied by 0? Answer is 0. Now we will add all these three products. 2400 plus 200 plus 0. So we will get 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 2, 6 and 2 we will write down. We got the answer 2600. So we will write in statement the cost of 4 such chairs is rupees 2600. Let us solve the next word problem. One small sack of rice cost rupees 825. How much do 5 such sacks cost? So we have got the one sack's price. Now we have to find out the price of these 5 sacks. So first we will write the statement from question. If one sack of rice is cost rupees 825, then the cost of such 5 sacks will be 825 into 5. Now we will expand 825. 825 is equal to 800 plus 20 plus 5. Now we will do multiplication with the help of lattice method. Multiplication sign next to it, 800, 20 and 5. Now below multiplication sign we will write 5. 5 8s are 40 and put this to 0. 5 2s are 10 and put 1 0. 5 5s are 25. Now we will add all these three products. 4000 plus 100 plus 25. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 1, 1. And 4. So we got the product 4125. And here is our statement. The cost of 5 such sacks is rupees 4125. Let us do next sum now. A van carries 25 carats of mangoes. If each carat contains 48 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in the van? So, one carrot contains 48 mangoes. So, we have to find out the number of mangoes in 25 carrots. So, we will write the statement. If each carrot contains 48 mangoes, then mangoes in the van will be 25 into 48. As there was 25 carrots in the van, so we will multiply 25 into 48. Now here both the numbers are two-digit numbers. So we will expand both the number. 25 is equal to 20 plus 5 and 48 is equal to 40 plus 8. Now we will arrange to multiply with lattice method. First we will write 25 expanded form of 25 next to multiplication sign, that is 20 and 5, and below it we will write 40 and 8. Now we will multiply 40 into 20. So first we will multiply 4 2s are 8 and 1 and 2 0 we have to put next to 8. Now 4 5s are 20 and this 1 0. So we will get 200. Now 8 2s are 16 and this 1 0. So we will get 160. 8 5s are 40. So we will add all these four products. 800 plus 200 plus 160 plus 40. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4, 10. Put 0 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So we will write 12 down. So we got product 1200. So we will write in the statement, there are 1200 mangoes in the van. The concessional rate of one English dictionary is rupees 175. If 31 students in a class give their teacher that amount for the dictionary, how many money has the teacher collected? So, one dictionary is cost rupees 175. 31 students have given money to teacher. So, how many amount teacher has collected? So, we will write the statement from the question. If 31 students in a class give their teacher rupees 175 for the dictionary, then the amount collected by teacher will be 175 into 31. Now here 3-digit number and 2-digit number. So we will expand both the number. First we will expand 175 is equal to 100 plus 70 plus 5. Now we will expand 31 also. 30 plus 1. Now we will arrange to solve in lattice method. We will arrange here 100, 70 and 5. And below the multiplication sign 30 and 1. So now 30 into 100. So 3 ones are 3 and 30 into 100. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 1, 2 and 3 0. So we have to put 3 over here. Now 30 into 70. So we will multiply first 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21 and 1 and 2 0. So 21 and 2 0. Now 30 fives are. So 3 fives are 15 and this 1 0. So we will get 150. Now any number multiplied by 1, we will get the number itself. So 100s are 100, 170s are 70, 15s are 5. Now we will add all these products. So 3000 plus 2100 plus 150 plus 100 plus 70 plus 5. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. Now 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7, we will get 12. So 2 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now at a thousands place. 3 plus 2, 5. So we got the product 5425. So we will write the answer. Teacher has collected rupees 5425. Students, you all will copy all this word problem from the video. Thank you.